Purchasing new headlight lenses for your vehicle can be very costly. A headlight restoration from Executive Detail is the perfect alternative. We start by taping off the lenses to prevent any damage to the surrounding areas around the lens. Secondly, we begin the process of sanding each lens. Once the lenses are sanded, we spray them with alcohol to remove any dirt from the surface before applying the resin. Lastly, we apply the clear resin, resulting in a like-new appearance while providing better visibility for safer nighttime driving. Give your car the executive treatment with a headlight restoration from Executive Detail.